This is the latest thing, see? A couple of eggs, you beat them, then you slice and mash and otherwise combine the banana with the eggs. Then you stick it in a pan and fry it, and you got yourself a pancake. Banana and eggs. I'll show you. So there you are, that's the hard part. The softer the banana, the better this works, of course. And this one was a little too fresh. We've got the pan hot. Just go ahead and put that pancake in the pan. There's still quite a few chunks of banana, but hey, it's banana pancake. Who cares? This isn't gourmet time, this is yum time. I like to spread it out nice and wide. I did my first one with only one egg and it worked fine. But I had a lot less. So we'll let that cook and we'll come back with a spatula and flip it when it's ready. I really should have turned this down. It's overcooking on the bottom without getting solid on the top. I'm watching a really good show on Netflix, which is definitely interfering with my attention levels to my cooking. Uh-oh. So this is going to be, oh, it's not too bad. Oh, yeah, there you go. Well scrambled. But it'll still taste good with syrup. Hey, it happens. Turn down that number. Yeah. Aww. Well, it'll still taste good drenched in syrup, so that's okay. It's just not pretty. And there you are. One lightly scorched banana pancake using eggs and no flour. And I didn't get it flipped properly, so it's a mess. Still tastes great.